John Scott Williams and his team at Fellowship Square Mesa have created the Senior Transition Guide as a method to help families navigate through the myriad of choices and decisions that must be considered at a time that is already stressful. The Senior Transition Guide combines today's technology with a very workable list of questions created to pinpoint the needs and desires of potential residents.
So the Senior Transition Guide was developed to give an advantage to the not-for-profits, and the only people that get benefit from it are members of leading age and the not-for-profit communities. The people that have used it and used it faithfully have picked up, they have sales that they wouldn't have had otherwise. They have time now. They're better prepared whenever the customer does come through the door. Because it saves the marketing office time, everybody is leveraged because now I know why they came in the door. I don't have to guess. It turns our marketing departments into professors of aging excellence as opposed to somebody selling bricks and mortar. Whenever you go to it, you can use the Discovery tool along with reading information about independent living, assisted living, memory care, behavioral health, and you can get information so that you get educated. And once you're educated, then you know what to look for. In our effort to educate the public and to knowing that they want to get information, not be sold, all we did is use the technique that most good teachers use, and that's asking questions. Do you feel safe in your home? Are you able to groom yourself, able to get up and dress? Depending on their answers gives a level of care. That's why they need to sit down with one of our professionals and go over the answers. When we do that, then we're able to give a clear guidance in their search for senior living that's appropriate. Not just a place that they can live, but a place they can thrive. That's the goal, is you can have those discussions much sooner because it's easy to say, hey mom, hey dad, why don't you answer these questions? And you pass the test, but it lets you at least have a discussion. By how they answer the questions, it tells you how to sell the product. And you don't have to persuade them as much as just reveal what they've asked by answering the question. If you have a plan when you're aging, most likely you'll be successful. But if you just wait for it to happen, you're going to go from one crisis to another. The Senior Transition Guide takes the crisis out and lets you plan your future in a way that most people would appreciate.
Thank you, Fellowship Square Mesa, for the development of the Senior Transition Guide. Please join us as we honor them with the Innovation in Technology Award.